Hello everyone, I am Pulkit Bazard from group 2 underscore self. In this video, I am going to briefly explain our problem statement and ideas, and then Diya and Karan will walk you through the high fidelity prototype of our application. So in 2010 came the revolution in the taxi industry in our country by the entry of Ola, which was soon followed by Uber. The mobile revolution too led to an outburst in the growth of such applications. Customers simply take out their mobile phones and book a taxi with minimal efforts now. But with good things come their ill consequences. So here comes the problem part. Digitalization of this industry resulted in too many applications and choices with varying designs and features, hence making it hard to compare for the user. Also different costs for the same service, varying waiting times and many other such problems. So, in this project, the GoCab Android application helps people avoid getting confused and frustrated. All problems, one solution, and that is GoCab's application. The GoCab's Android application allows people to compare different platforms at one place, gives them easy option to choose between rental cab or self-drive car, allowing them to get real-time comparison of the price available on the different applications. Moreover, this application allows user to choose between local taxi services available in the area too. Now that sounds exciting, right? So let's see what it's actually gonna be like.
Hi, I'm Dia Ahuja and I'll be walking you through the Get a Cab feature of our app. After logging in and clicking on the Get a Cab option, you enter your pickup point and destination, after which it shows you the available apps along with their waiting times and costs. The default filter here is the minimum cost, which can be changed using this button. After clicking on the Book Now option, it redirects you to the said app, that is Uber here, and you can book your cab easily. Thank you.
Now I will be explaining the rent-a-car feature of this app. On clicking rent-a-car, it navigates us to a screen where we need to select between round trip and one way. On clicking one of the options, it asks us to enter pickup point and destination. Then we need to click on find cars to see the available cars. Here we can enter the duration for which we want the car. And here is a list of available cars. On clicking see more, we see more options which we can scroll through. Then we can select one of the cars and click on book now to confirm our booking, and a confirmation message is displayed after that, along with the options to download the receipt, cancel the booking and contact customer support.